Hey guys, so the new crypto airdrop alpha for today is layer 0 airdrop number 2. This is basically unclaimed token reallocation. So if you have done, for example, few transactions since the first airdrop, I have done like 2 or 3 or something like that. This means that you will most likely get an airdrop from the reallocation. So what you want to do is go on this website on their Layer 0 Foundation. The link will be in my bio as well, in the description. Go on the claim page, wait for it to load. Now connect your wallet. I will connect my MetaMask wallet. So let's just confirm transaction. And here you can see I have 61.230 to claim. That's around $250 right now. And how to claim it, here you can see you have to select a donation. You have to donate a little bit. That's like $10 or something like that. So if you have, for example, $100 or $200 available for the second airdrop, this is nothing. And what you want to do, you want to input a round numbers and delete this friction, which is like 0.0084, all that stuff. Accept terms and just claim. So I'm switching to Arbitrum, and it shows that my gas is too low. So I have to just send some more funds to my Arbitrum network, and that's how you basically can claim your layer 0 allocation, the reallocation airdrop. So thanks for watching. If you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto and NFT and airdrop alpha, press that like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto airdrop alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.